everyone. I would like to wish you all happy World Physiotherapy Day. As a physiotherapist, I would like to tell you that physiotherapists are doing amazing work. They are working day in and day out for relieving patients' pain, taking them out of their disabilities, and helping them in improving the quality of life. I am proud to be a physiotherapist. World Physiotherapy Day celebrated on 8th September every year. World Physical Therapy Day is the day when awareness is generated among all ages about the importance of physical therapy in society. This day got recognized by the World Confederation for Physical Therapy in the year 1996. Physical therapy helps society with their well-being. The theme for celebrating World Physiotherapy Day this year is Rehabilitation after COVID-19. In this COVID-19 pandemic, we all are feeling lazy and made some unhealthy habits too, so now it's time to change those habits and make a promise to yourself on this day about various healthy habits. With this, I'll send you all very warm wishes to all my physiotherapist colleagues and to all family and friends. Medicine can help to add days to life, whereas physical therapy can help to add life to days. Wish you a very happy and healthy World Physical Therapy Day. Shravan Rehabilitation is sending various challenges for all on the celebration of World Physiotherapy Month. Stay connected and stay tuned with Shravan Rehabilitation by following on social media pages. Thank you.